This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Olyvia Salyer. Lovely Craftsman in the sought-after Stonehouse at Mill Pond. Fantastic open floor plan featuring a first-floor primary suite, 3 additional upstairs bedrooms with 2 additional full baths and a bonus office/conditioned storage room. Fresh white kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a sizable 2-car garage, all situated on a private wooded lot. Great location, close to major highways, minutes from fine dining, shopping, entertainment, and more. For more information, review the details below.